Okay, we've got a lovely little chainsaw blade, chain sharpener. This little beauty's from Lidl, 20 quid, which is a proper bargain, because if you want to sharpen a chain, most places charge about a tenner, and if you get a new blade, it's even more than that. So let's just have a quick play with it and see how easy it is. There's a nice little clamp here. You move the chain, so you've got the one that's that shape. It's quite a sort of a square. We put this thing in just to catch it, and then this locks it.